What if I told you that something as simple as a cheap liquid, something that costs less than a cup of coffee, could completely change the way you think about tires? It sounds unbelievable, almost like one of those internet myths. But once you see it in action, it raises a serious question. Why isn't everyone using this already? And more importantly, why don't major tire companies talk about it? Tires are one of the most important parts of any vehicle. Whether you're driving a car, riding a motorcycle, or even using a bicycle, your entire safety depends on those four pieces of rubber touching the ground. And yet, despite all the technological advancements in the automotive industry, electric vehicles, self-driving systems, smart sensors, one problem still exists: flat tires. A single nail, a sharp object, or even a small puncture can leave you stranded on the side of the road. It's inconvenient, frustrating, and sometimes even dangerous. Over the years, companies have introduced stronger materials and better designs, but flats still happen. Now here's where things get interesting. There's a simple liquid solution, often called a tire sealant, that can be poured directly inside your tire. Once inside, it coats the inner surface. And when a puncture occurs, the air pressure forces the liquid into the hole, instantly sealing it from the inside. No air loss, no flat tire, no stopping. At first, this sounds too good to be true, but countless demonstrations have shown it working in real time. Nails pushed into tires, screws drilled through rubber, and yet, the tire keeps holding air. So if something like this exists, why isn't it standard in every vehicle? To understand that, we need to look at how the tire industry works. Tire companies make billions of dollars every year. Their business depends on selling new tires, replacements, repairs, and maintenance services. Flat tires are a part of that cycle. When a tire gets damaged, people either repair it or replace it. Either way, money is spent. Now imagine a world where most small punctures never turn into flats. Fewer emergency repairs, fewer replacements, less frequent tire changes. It wouldn't completely destroy the industry, but it would definitely impact it. That's where the curiosity begins. Because while tire sealants are not exactly a secret, they are not widely promoted either. Most people don't even know they exist, or they assume they're only temporary fixes. In reality, some of these solutions are designed to last for months, or even longer, inside the tire. But let's be clear about something. This isn't a conspiracy where companies are hiding a magical solution from the world. The truth is more complicated. Tire sealants do have limitations. They are incredibly effective against small punctures, like nails or screws, but they're not designed to handle major damage. If your tire experiences a large tear, sidewall damage, or a blowout, no liquid can save it. There are also concerns about balance and long-term performance. Some drivers worry that adding liquid inside a tire could affect how it spins at high speeds. While many modern sealants are designed to minimize this issue, it's still something manufacturers consider. And then there's the question of maintenance. Tire companies focus on reliability, consistency, and safety. They design products that perform under all conditions, for all types of drivers. Introducing a liquid solution as a standard feature would require additional testing, new manufacturing processes, and customer education. That takes time and money. So instead of replacing traditional tire systems, these sealants exist as an alternative, something that drivers can choose to use if they want extra protection. But here's what makes this topic so fascinating. When people actually test these liquids, when they pour them into a tire and then deliberately try to damage it, the results are often shocking. You see nails go in, and nothing happens. You hear the sound of air pressure, but the tire stays firm. It feels like breaking the rules. And that's exactly why videos about this topic go viral. Because it challenges what people believe. We've all grown up thinking that a punctured tire equals a flat tire. It's almost automatic. But seeing a tire survive multiple punctures without losing air creates a moment of disbelief. And in today's world, that's what grabs attention. But beyond the viral appeal, there's a real benefit here. For everyday drivers, a simple solution like this can add an extra layer of safety. It can reduce the chances of getting stranded. It can save time, money, and stress, especially in situations where help is far away. Imagine driving on a highway at night, hitting a nail, and not even realizing it because your tire stays perfectly fine. That's powerful. And for people who travel long distances, go off-road, or ride motorcycles, that extra protection can make a huge difference. So why doesn't everyone use it? Part of the answer is awareness. Most people simply don't know about it. Another part is trust. When something sounds too good to be true, people hesitate. They question it. They assume there must be a catch. And sometimes they're right. Because while tire sealants are impressive, they're not magic. They work best in specific situations, and they should be seen as a supplement, not a replacement, for proper tire care. Regular maintenance, proper air pressure, and good driving habits still matter. But here's the key takeaway. The idea that a cheap liquid can prevent one of the most common vehicle problems is something that deserves attention. Not because it's hidden, but because it's overlooked. And once you see it in action, you start to wonder why it isn't talked about more often. Maybe it's not about companies hiding it. Maybe it's just about people not looking for it. Either way, the result is the same. Most drivers go their entire lives dealing with flat tires, without ever knowing there was another option. And now that you know, the question is simple. Would you trust it? Would you pour this liquid into your tire and rely on it to protect you? Or would you stick with the traditional way, accepting flats as just another part of driving? Whatever your answer is, one thing is certain. This small, inexpensive solution has the power to change how we think about tires. And sometimes, the biggest ideas come in the smallest packages. If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to Meer Motor Hub for more amazing automotive content. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments. Would you try this tire liquid or not? Stay tuned for more smart car hacks and powerful vehicle content. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on Meer Motor Hub.